Hello and welcome to All-in-One Theme. In this video I'm going to show you step 3 inside of the All-in-One Theme where you're configuring your site, and in this step 3, it's going to be the actual site style where you give your site a specific look and feel, unique look and feel, just how you want it. So one of the first things I want to do is just kind of walk through this quickly, and then what I'll do is I'll go into more detail on a couple parts of it and just show you how it works. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to point out to you that what you can do here is you can upload your own logo if you want, or you can create a logo using our built-in editor. So for the purpose of this example, I'm just going to do it using the built-in editor. So you can pick one of these particular header images. Now if you ever want to see all of the images that are available to you, you can just click here. So if I click on this, it'll take you to the All-in-One Theme site where you'll be able to see all of the header images that are available to you. So I can scroll this over. You can see there's images on the far right. So there's a whole host of different images for you to choose from. At any point in time, you can go over there and look and see what they are, and you can understand a little bit clearer. You have a better understanding and a clearer understanding of how they'll look on your site. This is a reduced, smaller version of it. So you can upload your own or use one, just create one using the editor. You can see there's a couple of different ways. There's the header image, or there's a header gradient, which is basically just colors. I'll show you that in a second. If you're going to upload your own, you would click here. I'm just going to scroll through here quickly. If you saw in the video where we installed WordPress, this is where the site name came from, and then the tagline that we created appears here. And then here's basically the logo editor. So we're on Create Logo using the editor, and so here's where it appears. And you can what you can do, it's really great. You can create your own. You can see currently we have this globe, but if we wanted the shield, we could do the shield. And once we hit save, whatever we pick here, once we hit save, that's how it appears on your site. It's pretty cool how this works. Lots of different options. And also, if you want to try to, you can design your name, and you can drag it around and move it where you want. You can see how this works. But this top one right here is the name for this line. The second one is the tagline for the tagline. But for the name, if we wanted to make it bigger, we could just click on the A+ and it gets bigger. We could make it bold or not bold. We can change the color of it. See how this works? Right. You can pick a font if you want to do a different style font. And this is all to give your site a unique look and feel. And it's super easy. You don't have to code or know how to touch code or anything like that. It just all works for you. You can use the default color scheme of the site, or you can choose to go with a different one, let's say golden, but maybe you want a different site background color. You would just click here, and you can drag it where you want, and you see it immediately changes for you right there. And then the overall headline style of your site, you can select something here. There's some web fonts down here. This is a Google font picker down here. You can do the actual individual text on your site, how you want that to look. So you got a couple options here. It's really easy to have this give your site a unique look and feel in a matter of seconds. And so I'll show you the header gradient on this side. And here you could just pick from different main gradients. So if you watch this background here, we can just pick what we want and how we want it to appear on the site. And then we say, okay, I like this color. So you could come here and change the style a little bit you want, however it appears best for you, and what you want to communicate through the use of your header area is completely up to you. Now what I'm going to show you is how to really make this stand out. And what I want to do is I want to upload my own. So I'm going to upload a header, and so you can see it has the header right here. So I click on that, and it's uploading. Here it is. I've already uploaded it once before, but Now it's not showing the full header because it's reduced to a specific size right here, but I know that's the one that I uploaded. So now if I pick that, I want you to watch how it appears right here. Now this particular header that I uploaded, it's my own custom one that we created. So I don't really need, it has a logo built into it and everything, so I don't really need the name of the site and the tagline to appear because that's already built into the header that I just uploaded. So it's really simple. All I have to do is come here to site name, delete it. See how it's gone? Now I don't want the tagline to appear, delete it. I don't need an icon because it's all cared for in my header. Now a lot of times you'll have someone create graphics for you and they'll create this amazing header for you, and so all you'll have to do is just upload it and then make sure you just set this to no icon and that you remove the name and the site tagline, and it'll look exactly the way the graphic was sent over to you when you upload it to your site. And that's it. And then let's just go ahead and stick with the default colors, and let's use the let's just use Georgia, and actually, you know what? Let's use some Google fonts. You can see how easy this is. It's pretty simple to do it exactly how you want it, and you can play around with it. And what's great is at any point in time, you can come back in here and go to this particular step and completely change the style of your site. So I just saved it. Now let's click here to preview it. And there it is. Okay, so this is the header that I uploaded, and you can see it appeared right here for you. And there's still no content on here, but we'll talk about that in a little bit. Now if I wanted to change the font here, remember that's very easy. Let me go back over here down to the font, and let's go with something different. It's super easy to change. Let's go with this. I have no idea what this looks like, but let's just see what happens. Let's see if this changes. See how we just changed the way it looks on the site? It's very easy for you to have your own WordPress site customized to look exactly how you want it to look and to communicate a look and feel how you'd like. Now I also want to point out to you the sidebar over here. Remember I picked a sidebar, and you can see here's the sidebar. Now if I wanted to turn that sidebar off, all I would do is I would go over here to the Site Structure tab. So it's very easy to give your site the style, the look and feel that you want. So I hope you check out our other videos where we take you through each individual step. Make sure you've watched all of them so you can understand how all the different pieces work together. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in our members area as well as in our other videos.